Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to HighTech. If you're into JavaScript development, today's tutorial is perfect for you. We're diving into how to install Yarn, the fast and efficient package manager developed by Meta, right here on Ubuntu. Why choose Yarn? Yarn brings a ton of advantages over the standard NPM package manager. It's known for its rapid performance thanks to parallel installation, caching of downloaded packages, and using lock files for consistent dependency tracking. Plus, it verifies licenses and ensures you're downloading safe and secure packages. Preparing for installation. Let's get started. Before installing Yarn, you need to have npm installed. If you haven't already, open your terminal and run this command. $sudo apt install npm. This command will install npm if it's not already on your system. Installing Yarn. With npm installed, you can now install Yarn globally using the following command. $sudo npm install gyarn. This will make Yarn accessible from any directory on your system. Verifying installation. Once the installation is complete, you can verify it by checking the Yarn version. Simply type $yarn version. Great! Yarn is now installed and ready to use. Uninstalling Yarn. If you ever need to uninstall Yarn, you can do so with this command. $sudo npm remove gyarn. And just like that, Yarn will be removed from your system. I hope this guide helped you get Yarn up and running on your Ubuntu system. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to HighTech for more tech tutorials, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy coding.